Hey guys, I'm ready to take on the little Kizer Banish again to try to put some skiffs in it. We had a hard time getting the liners off last time. Hopefully it won't be so much trouble this time. And I think I sized them last time. So hopefully we've got the right size bearings. We'll double check them. We've got our double-sided bits for our T8s. Got a T6 for our clip. And before I get started, I just want to say thank you to all the channel members. And thank you to anybody who comes in to check out the knife and EDC content. I really appreciate it. So the clip uses T6s, and the body screws and everything else uses a T8. So the scales are very easy to get off. Where I ran into trouble last time was getting the liner to come off because it was so tightly press fitted. So we probably have to deal with that again. All right. Ooh, I took the back side off. Here's my spring. My back side's coming off fine. But don't want to do that. That's what we need to do. All right, guys, so now we've got to gently remove our blade, and then we'll have our little press bearings on each side. See how they're crimped with the smooth side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 balls. Let's try these again. 3/64. And a 5mm pivot. Just right. All right. So what I'm going to do real quickly is I am going to give this a little cleaning. Just a little light cleaning. And then we're going to put our skiffs in. And we're going to do our best to get it back together. Get old crap out of there. All right, let's get our KPL original. Let's put a couple of drops on it. Now let's take a couple of drops on our skiffs, 3/64 by 5mm, and these are 15 balls. So they're going to give us much more surface area. they're going to have more area in contact with the rest of the NAF. Now this is what was tricky last time. So how do we do this? I think we had to get it down maybe, and then push it through. Or did we get it in and then push it through? Like so. Nope. We must have done it like this. If that goes through like that, there we go. Let's get our pivot facing back. All right, now we're going to give a little drop of KPL here. Just a little bit in the track. Now I'm going to take my other skiff, move it up just a hair, rub that in my fingers. All right, let's push this bad boy down. Keep our pivot in place. Stop pin in place. Now let's see what happens I do not want that jumping out. I might have my pivot a little bit out of whack. Nope, cinched it up. We will quickly see what we've got here. I do like the T8s, even though I've got T6s on my clip. I can live with that. And I'll just go with that one that's down in there. Get in there. Ah, shit. Alright guys, let's get back to our T8 because we'll probably have to adjust that pivot some. Dead nuts. Guys, I think that's mission accomplished. I think that's the easiest skiff install we have had since we got started. And that was taking our little Kizer Banish and replacing it with some 5mm by 3/64 by 3/16 by 15 count, I'm sorry, skiff bearings. We've got our little B up symbol here from Joe Isabella. We used our little pry bar, which was kind of helpful to get our liner off. And then it just seems like when you screw that back down, it kind of tightens that back in. So no harm, no foul. We have got our little Banish on skiffs. It'll break in where I can loosen the pivot. I don't think that's going to be a case. I think it's just a matter of getting those bearings running right. But yeah, guys, the Kizer Banish, Jacob Lundquist design, now riding the skiffs. Thank you, Steve, for sending these to me to put them in. And guys, hopefully you guys will see the advantages in skiffs and what just a few dollars, 12 bucks a pizza, can make a difference in your knives, whether they be budget knives or whether they be higher end knives. I put skiffs in almost everything because you get 30% more balls, which is more surface area, and you get a solid phosphorus bronze washers with embedded ceramic balls, which to me is just higher quality construction. Guys, I appreciate you. If you haven't had a chance yet and you're so inclined, please hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon. But most importantly, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your hearts. And always choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.